In this guide, you learn how to fix Roblox assets not loading. Let's get started. First, we need to clear Roblox cache files as corrupted cache data is one of the most common causes of loading issues. To do this, search for run. Now, search for %temp% and hit enter. Look for any Roblox related folders and delete them if you find them. Next up, again search for run. Now type in %app data % and press enter. When the roaming folder opens, click on app data in the address bar and then open the local folder. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder, right click it and delete it. Now you will need to reinstall Roblox. Launch your preferred browser, search for Roblox download for Windows, click on this option and complete the download and installation process. Once it has been installed, right click on it, navigate to the option properties, head over to the tab compatibility. Under that, you're gonna find the option of run this program as administrator, checking for that option. This gives Roblox the permissions it needs to properly load game assets, textures and maps. After completing these steps, launch Roblox again and check whether the issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.